Next up in our bath bomb mold demonstrations is going to be our chick in the egg, which consists of a bottom cup, an outside shell, and a top cup. So start by taking your bottom cup, place it on your table, take your shell, put it around, start filling lightly, give some shakes. Build it up just a little bit up on the top, because with cups, you have this to fill, right? We have to make sure that we have enough mixture in there to fill all of that, okay? So take that top cup, turn it over, stick it on the top. And we're gonna give some presses. And turn. Taps around the outside shell, taps on the top plunger or cup, turn it over, same thing on the bottom cup. All right, now this one, because we have two cups, we could just go ahead and put that down on the table and just lift up on that shell and take it right on off of there. If it gets stuck because you've got bath bomb mix in between your cups and your shell, just do the motion of going up and down with it to loosen it up. And if you have to turn it over, that's fine too. Just continue doing that until you can remove that outer shell. If you want a nice Saturn ring on there, just leave it the way that it is. I usually don't, so I usually give a nice little push to try to lessen that Saturn ring. That's my own personal preference. I just don't like it for packaging reasons. All right, now we're going to give some taps again because we compressed it even more. All right, let's go straight up and off with that bottom cup. Take a cardboard, stick it on the bottom and turn it over, and then straight up and off with the top cup. And there's our cute little peep, our chick in our egg. Okay, if you guys would like to purchase this or any of the other molds that we have for sale, I will leave a link down below where you can find it on soap-chef.com.